Hello, everybody. Hope you are doing well. Welcome on our next weekly meeting. We don't have too much for today. First of all, yeah, there was a nice Magento event last 2 days in Leipzig. Was a lot of info about the service isolation, like in this direction. Was quite nice. If talk about the import, yeah, I made a presentation there related to the import service. Was a lot of interest, but as usual, I see the same the same faces here. Uh, yeah. So from technical side, last week, there was a guy in a channel who discovered the asynchronous API bug, which is was quite big bug related to the import by using the stores. So I just will show the pull request, which Alex, who is also here, made last week, or even was it this week when it was completed. So yeah, the issue was that store was not transferred if you're using the bulk API, which is quite logically that it have to be transferred. But yeah, it's not supported. It was not supported by asynchronous operations. That when even if you're using the source, when you post in the request and the message is sent to RabbitMQ queue, there is no store transferred to the RabbitMQ queue, and then it's not pulled when the consumer is executing it. So yeah, this pull request is completed. It will be accepted. That's good. That's good news. Not so good news that it will not go into 3.2. It will only go into 3.3. But again, good news that it will be delivered like a patch, and it could be installed separately to provide a fix for the developers and merchants who will use the API and if this solution works before 2.3 will come out. Yeah, that's one. We still have that's still on my side. I had no time because of the event to check the implementation of the import. I know Alex already working on he basically working with our client who has the case and where we want to use it. And I hope we will share best practices somewhere in maybe next or over next meeting how we used it. And do I have something else for today? Marian. Marian basically wanted to proceed with Redis storage. Let's see if I'm correct. Yeah, we had a discussion also last week with Vova and Alex related to related if you need a framework, if you don't need a framework. So basically we don't need a framework currently. And an idea, Marian, then that's for you, that we will implement Redis storage in a current asynchronous operation implementation. Just basically don't put it in the same module. You can make a new module which called Magento asynchronous operation Redis or Redis storage, and implement functionality which is required by our bulk API in this module. So if it's like enabled, then it will replace the database functionality if it's used, and if not, then database will be the default one. Yeah, that's the plan. Yeah, Marian, is it clear for you, or you have some?
Yeah, I get the idea. I'm gonna have to obviously think about it, so how to organize things, but for the moment it's clear. The idea is clear.
Okay. Hey, in any case, if you have a question next week, or just drop it me or in a channel also, then we can support you.
Okay, thank you.
On this implementation. Yeah, that's basically was fast, and from my side, that's all. if somebody else has something to add.
Yeah. With regards to the first issue, the asynchronous
Yeah,
fix with
correct.
multi-store, is there an issue on the main repository open for that?
Nope, it's open only here.
Okay.
Basically, here is even no issue opened. We just directly made a pull request,
Okay.
and Stas Idolov, he's already working on delivering it into the Magento core, basically.
Yeah, I'm just thinking it might be a good idea from a visibility point of view. And if you've got a patch available for older versions to have an issue someplace so that if someone searches for it and finds it, they can find the issue, the pull request, the fact it's merged, and then if you have a patch that can be applied via Composer or something like that, then they could also apply that.
Okay, yeah, that sounds good. Basically, I can do it directly right now, or maybe after our meeting, I will post an issue on Magento 2 repo and we'll link it with our pull request.
Cool. If anyone complains about the issue, let me know, because I think it's better that we highlight the issue and show people where to get the fix than to kind of forget about it.
Yeah, correct. No, that's a good point. I mean, also mentioned that if you're looking for some Magento bug, usually I'm very happy when I get in the response from Magento 2 repo, then I know that somebody saw it and working on it.
Yeah.
So that's good.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Okay, good. Anything else for today?
Nothing from my side.
Okay, good. Then have a nice rest of the week and we see you next week.
Cool. All right. See you.
Bye bye.